So we are at 8201 North Olcott Avenue in Niles, Illinois. This is a 2-story brick building, which is really nice. And it has 6 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms and a 2-car garage that's not attached. It was built in 2007, and it looks like a pretty good property. It's 37 by 125. We're going to take a look at the side. Now, my big issue is always about corner lots, because a lot of it you can't use. People don't want to sit in front of their house. They want to go into a backyard. Also, there's a lot of parkways here. So in the front, you have the parkway here. And then on the side, which we're going to go around the house, you've got a parkway that you see on your right. And you have to maintain all that. That's part of, as owner of this house, you have to maintain it. You have to cut the grass. That's basically what you have to do. Let's take a look at the house while we get to the back. So we're going to go in a few seconds. But let's take a look what happens here. And exterior wise, it's pretty good. I hate parkways and I hate to have to take care of them. But a bigger issue, I think, is there is no backyard. So here we are. You have a 2-car garage, and if you look left, it's just the sidewalk. If you go right, you've got the gate, and all you have is a garage and no backyard. That is a huge issue. Let's take a look inside. So now that we've seen 8201 North Walcott in Niles, which is priced at $629,000, the house is nice inside. I love the brick exterior. There's a lot of positives, a lot of bedrooms, a lot of bathrooms. No backyard. That's a huge issue, and it's going to have the resale value on that is going to be tough. That's why this thing's been sitting for about 45 days, and it may sit for a lot longer. Now, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting explorations of neighborhoods in and around Chicago. So we're in Niles, and again, this particular property it's good. If you like it, you probably get it for a better price. They probably want a deal. And don't forget, it's a tough market. Interest rates are not an all-time high, but we're a touch over 7%. And there's very few properties on the market. Big problem. Talk to you later.